Welcome to our video. In this video lecture, we will learn how to download and install the Burpsuit. Before going to start, software requirements for Burpsuit. First one is Oracle Java. It is required because Burpsuit is developed with Java. Here I am already installed Java latest version. You can download at java.com/en/download. Burpsuit community or professional and last browser. Let's open up browser. Type portsfigure.net. Portsfigure.net is the Burpsuit official website. Click on Burp. You will need to decide which edition of the Burpsuit you would like to download. There are three versions like Enterprise, Professional and Community. Let's see both Community and Professional editions. The Community version offers many of the functions used for bug bounty program, but not all. Community does not include any scanning functionality. Community version contains some forced strangle of threads, which using the intruder functionality. There are no built-in payloads in the community version, though you can load your own custom ones. Several burp extensions that require professional versions not work in the community edition. The professional version has all the functionalities enabled, including passive and active scanners. There is no forced strangle. Portsfigure provides several built-in payloads for fuzzing and brute forcing. Burp extensions using scanner-related API calls are workable in the professional version as well. The professional edition costs $3.99 and community edition is free. I personally recommend you to buy professional edition. If you are beginner, then choose the community edition with the product prior to purchasing. For the professional edition, you will need to complete the forms or payments and subsequent email confirmations will be sent to you. Once your account is created, you may log in and perform the download from the links provided in your account. In this lecture, I am installing Community Edition. Here you can see that two installation options, including an executable and a plain jar file. The executable file is only available in Windows and is offered in both 32-bit and 64-bit. The plain jar file is available for Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Here I am already downloaded and installed executable Burp. You can also run Burpsuit with jar file. Double click on it. Here you will see that Burpsuit is started. Okay, that's it in this video lecture. Thank you for watching. See you in next lecture.